Hi, hello, g'day, kia ora, and welcome to the studio. I'm Paula from MoxyMojo. This is a little bit different and it is more than a little unexpected. A couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling through Instagram and I happened upon an advert for a competition being run by Liquitex New Zealand, and it was announcing the release of some new metallic paints, and they were going to give away a set of these paints. So there was going to be 2 lucky winners here in New Zealand, and so I thought, somewhat optimistically, I will apply, and thought nothing more of it. Anyway, earlier this week I checked my messages and I was absolutely gobsmacked to find that I was chosen to be one of the lucky winners. So this is it. This is it. Look at this gorgeous tissue. I mean, even just the tissue is amazing and will be recycled as any good paper crafter would do so. But look at this. So to Paula, congratulations on winning our giveaway. Thank you for participating. We hope you enjoy these Liquitex Basics Metallics. Warm regards, Angel, on behalf of the Liquitex team. Oh my, now this is definitely going into my gratitude, incoming mail, happy mail journal as soon as I've made it. I need to hurry up and make it. But look at these. So there are 8 colours, so I'm going to swatch them, but we've got metallic red. We've got metallic burnt orange. Metallic green. Oh, I love that. Metallic yellow gold. Metallic purple. That is stunning. It is so hard to get a really nice purple colour. Now this is the one that was my favourite, metallic aqua green. And part of the competition was we had to pick out which was our favourite colour. And for me it was this aqua green, followed very closely by the metallic green. It was a tough call, but had to be the aqua green. We've then got metallic blue, and last but not least, metallic magenta. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? So, gingerly put the, and you know I'm going to recycle this box as well. Right. Okay. I'm going to swatch these out. I need some swatch cards. Right, first I'm going to put them into my colours. So we've got, that's kind of a middle. We've got warms. We've got our cool colours, warms. Like, we've got to have it in the rainbow. Even the rainbow probably should be starting from warm. Right, I need something to swatch onto. Okay, I'm organised. So I've got swatches. These are about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. In a white textured cardstock and a black cardstock, because, let's be honest, you want to see what they look like on both backgrounds. And then I'm going to write on the pen once they've, write on the cards once they've dried, with a pen so that I know exactly what it is, because we know how important it is, for me at least, to be able to see what everything looks like. So starting in the light colours, or lightest colour. Oh no, I don't need to take it off because it's already open. So I want just a very tiny little wee bit, which I don't need a lot at all for this swatching. I may need slightly more than that though, we'll find out. So here we go. And this is the metallic yellow gold. And this is with no, it's a dry brush, so maybe I should put some water onto it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That just spread so nice, because I know I'm not using the best of brushes, but oh, look at that. That colour is stunning. Oh, no bleed through. That's awesome. So now let's see what we look like on black. And now a little bit extra water. Should have actually done half with water and half without, I think. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, now definitely a difference. So I think, yeah, we need to do a little bit. So let's just take a little bit out of there. And this is our, so which side do we want? Stick with all of them with that side there. That's our no water. And this side, no water. Right. Oh yeah. Oh, the reflection in the camera. Oh, gorgeous. Right, so we will clean up that from our wonderful non-stick mat. And look, I mean, yeah, I can feel it's still a wee bit damp, but already it is pretty dry. So let's put those two there. Clean my brush. And we'll dry that off. Oh, still a wee bit in there. I mean, look at that colour. Right, I'm going to carry on and do my swatching, and then I will come back to you and we can look at all the colours once it's done. I'm going to dry these all with my heat tool because I'm impatient and I want to see what they're all going to be like once they are completely dry. There we are. They are all finished, and without a doubt they all look absolutely stunning, whether on the white card or the black. What I found interesting is when you use the paint on effectively a dry brush, you get more of the pigment showing, and that's what your eye sees more of, whereas where you add water to it, you see more of the mica in there, and it looks almost like a frosted version of the colour. Either way, they look very similar. I mean, that one there probably shows it the most, where you can see, like, here is sort of pure colour, whereas here you can see almost like a milky version. But yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous. So yeah, I'm really pleased that I've done my swatches. So, and I really like, if you ever are doing swatches, and whether it's for your, like, consider yourself an artist or a crafter, I would recommend that you go through and do your swatches on both light and dark, or if you generally use like a grayscale background or craft, whatever it is that you use, do your swatches on that colour so that you can see how the paints are going to react and how they're going to look on that background. So I am stoked that I've got the swatches done, but I am so eternally grateful to Liquitex for the opportunity to even do swatches. I cannot thank you enough for your generosity, and I am definitely going to play with them very, very soon, and I'm going to try and squeeze them into my current Ephemerember series as quickly as possible, because I can't wait to play with them. In fact, I've got to do the bags that I'm going to be wrapping our Christmas presents in, because I give my grown-up children and my grandchildren and my husband and myself, we all get little wee hampers of personal goodies, and I normally put them into recycled shopping bags, paper shopping bags, and do some kind of jelly print on the side. So I wonder how they're going to go on a jelly plate. I guess I shall be finding out very soon. But enough of me drawing over these paints. Thank you once again to Liquitex for this very generous Christmas present, shall I say. And you will be seeing more of this. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, from here in the studio. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.